All right, everyone, a quick update on Kaspa here. So we looked at Kaspa on the last live stream, and we noticed that this thing is in the perfect position for a rather nice long down here. It was down here in red at the 236. I mentioned that it needs to hold here. It's probably going to end up holding, which you can see it did get a nice little bounce here. Because if Kaspa ends up breaking this previous low here, breaking the very bullish macro structure here, then Kaspa is going to end up making a new low, and then it's going to go a lot lower because it would end up making this or breaking this rather very large macro structure that it's been forming for a very long time. So it's good to see it held here. So hopefully you guys that were watching the live stream maybe opened up a long here. Not financial advice, of course. This is just magic and entertainment. But very good position here, I would say. And I also mentioned that just so you guys are aware, every time this thing comes down to these lows, it ends up making a new high, slightly high, high. So we came all the way back down here again for what is a slightly higher low on Kaspa on the macro picture of things. And then now it's time for Kaspa to move up and potentially make a new high here. So if that is going to be the case, it does not have to come up to the next level 1272 at 25, but it could. But if it does end up coming up here, maybe it makes a slightly higher high from the one it just made at about 208 here. So maybe you get about 90 to 100% move here on Kaspa off of this bottom and this bounce here up to about 23. But it could very well come up for a new high at 25, and then you would move up about 117% there. So not a bad look for Kaspa here after it came all the way down here and it held structure. So that's what you want to see on something very healthy for the price and the macro future of Kaspa here. Now, with that being said, it is down 12% on the week, but like I said, that was the bottom. And where is Kaspa going to end up? The big price for Kaspa, that is pretty much the consensus that I see everywhere. People are calling for about a $5 Kaspa. I haven't checked the market cap in a couple of weeks, but it's not really going to make a difference. The last time I checked, that would put it at 124 billion market cap. But as of today, after it came down all that way, you're looking at about a 43x on Kaspa to make it to $5 this cycle. So, what are your thoughts on Kaspa at this point? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.